Hello, everyone. Welcome to another lesson of Art Therapy with Dr. Shivani Ketan. Thank you for coming back. And I hope you enjoyed your gratitude jar or a wish jar that you created yesterday with your family. And like I said, every day you're supposed to put one gratitude. Just भी एक चीज़ की वजह से आपने gratitude morning में, mid में, evening में आपको जब टाइम मिले प्लीज़ डू राइट व्हाट इज इट दैट यू फीलिंग ग्रैटिट्यूड ऑल अबाउट एंड put that in that jar so that anyone can read it if they are going through a situation in their life or just they're just sitting let's have a gratitude talk, so you can always play with that and you can always continue, but for these 10 lessons definitely I would like to ask you that please put one gratitude every day at least. If you want to put more than that, most welcome. हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में जो भी लिखना है gratitude उस jar में ज़रूर डालिए आप. Now, when I was doing the lesson for today, because gratitude series है, so I was thinking how we can give gratitude to people who are very difficult with us. As humans, we want people to be kind to us, we want people to be praising us, being gentle and kind with us, but that's not the case always. And we end up having situations with them where we don't enjoy our relationship or wherever it is going. So I'm not saying that we lose our standards and we go to their standard, but then of course you can feel gratitude क्योंकि वो बहुत इतनी difficult है आपकी life में, that so strongly difficult that gives you a feeling, thank God I have some people who are not that difficult in my life first. And the second thing you can feel gratitude about is, thank God I am not like them and I'm not becoming like them. This is something I don't want to be. I have to be what others are to be. So this is one way of looking at your difficult situations or your difficult people around you, जो आपको praise नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, जो आपको देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. They're so narcissist about themselves that they're not able to even acknowledge you as a person. So that is where you have to see that how I can be grateful for them for teaching me the kind of relationship or the kind of person I don't want to be. This is what I do always. So, and then I'm feeling very thankful for my parents, especially my mother around me, that she is such a person who's not at all difficult, and that gives me a feeling this is how I want to be. Probably as a growing child, I did not appreciate that. Now today, when I see her, I feel this is how I want to be. This is how I want to be with my children around. So I always give her gratitude, and I would. That's why I thought when I was designing this lesson, I thought let me give this to you. So today's lesson is make a tree of life and have a family tree of life or a supporting tree of life where people who are supporting you. Now they can be your father, mother, your siblings, grandparents, a friend who's like a family, or some family friend who are very much supporting of you. So today we are creating a tree of life of people who are supporting us in our journey. So see who all is there to help you out. See who all, even if you might not be very happy to be around with, but something they have taught you in life. Like I said, being with difficult people helps us to understand that this is where I don't want to reach. They are reaching there, that is their way of life. I am not a part of this. So, how I can go on my journey? So, whosoever is helping you reach your journey, reach your place. So, today, the thankful gratitude is all about for them for telling you to be you and how you can, in a way, give them thanks for how they have supported you in life. So you can create a artwork about it, and in the end, when you all are discussing, and in case the same people are there who are supporting you, you can always acknowledge them that this is where you were and this is how I have understood, and this is where it has helped me in life to to come forward and to be where I am. And if in that spur of moment you realize that it was some friend of yours, you can always give them a call afterwards and say, listen, today I was going through this journey and this came up, so I want to thank you for that. So you are spreading joy, you're spreading love, you're spreading happiness, and you're understanding where is it that you want to be. You don't have to create different standards for yourself because someone is being bad to you or rude to you. This is where you have to understand this is where they're coming from. Okay, I don't have to be like this. And you can always give them the vibration of love rather than giving them the vibration of hate or why are they not understanding me. So you can always go back to the situation where you had situations with them and you can say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. Picture of yourself with them that everything is fantastic, we are doing great, and even if this happened, oh, this was not like this was like that, you can hamper your picture and you can come back to your life where you are and you can start giving the vibes of love and happiness, and you will see there will be a change in the other person because you have made a change in yourself. That is more important. So this is what we are working with art therapy, is that we are working on ourselves. This is a self work that we are doing. We are not trying to create change in other people, we're trying to create change in ourselves. So I hope you are able to do that and you have a great lesson. I look forward to see with you tomorrow again. And I was very happy to get a lot of lovely messages and art, and especially from one of my students who was very sweet to send me today her work. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate all that you're doing, and I hope you spread this work. We need people to understand that this is a time which will pass by, and we all can go out of this. This is just a temporary phase. So let's work on ourselves, let's change ourselves, and let's try to transform our lives and the people who are surrounding us. So I hope you have a great day. Namaskar.